Hello, I am Arnab Chakraborty. I am having more than 26 years of academic teaching and more than 13 years of corporate training experiences. I've conducted training programs for more than 170 corporates across the world, and for different countries, for different companies. I conducted multiple batches, and for Accenture only, I conducted more than 36 batches. For IBM, more than 27 batches. For Ericsson, more than 26 batches, and so many companies in my list. So you might have seen me on the YouTube, because I'm having more than 2,500 videos on the YouTubes divided into 31 different subjects and album. So I'm associated with this CodeChef and Unacademy conducting their courses. So I hope that this journey of learning will be very much resourceful and purposeful for all of us. We were getting requests from different students and from different sources to have a course on tips and tricks of competitive coding. So we know that this competitive coding is very important skill for those people or those students and professionals who are aspirant for IT related jobs. Because companies, these corporates, for their IT department, for their IT core IT department, they used to do the recruitment for those people who are having a very good national and international rank in the competitive coding. So it has become the cheapest way to get the best manpower, to select the best manpower in a short period of time. So that's why getting a skill and developing a skill in the competitive coding has become essential nowadays. In this class, we are going to discuss how to submit problems on online judge. You know that after solving the problem, after running the problem, then the question of submission used to take place. And whenever we do the submission on the online judge, more than 1,000 number of test cases might be there which will test our performance of our program. And if for some of the inputs, the expected outputs are not being met by my program, then the corresponding test case will fail. If my program works well for all the test cases, then only we should consider it as a successful submission. Sometimes it may also happen that my program is generating the output correct, but it is going beyond the time limit or threshold limit. So in that case also, the test case will fail. Different coding portals are having different kinds of flavor of this online judge. So in this particular class, we shall discuss about details that how to submit problems on the online judge. To join this particular class, the link has been provided here. And you can click on the link to get the more details about the class timing, the class duration, and the respective purpose of the class. You can use my referral code Arnab10 for joining the class. You can join here and let's have a lots of fun of learning. Thank you.